Introducing the MD69BRX Compass Bearing Repeater as a bowl-only option for retrofitting into other manufacturers' gimbal rings. Taking celestial and terrestrial bearings has never been easier, with the ability to conveniently display ship's digital NMEA heading data at any suitable location on a vessel. Equipped with a dual-scale 36:1 precision compass card display, illuminated with red LEDs and dimmable using the integrated or remote dimming controls, enabling optimal visibility in all lighting conditions. The MD69BRX comes packed with features such as automatic selection and prioritization of true or magnetic NMEA heading data type, automatic indication of loss of valid heading data, and automatic detection of a previously lost heading data type. The specially designed retrofitting kits come with either gimbal bushes or pins, making it easy to fit a host of third-party gimbal rings. The B-type gimbal bush kits are used when retrofitting bearing repeaters with bowl pivot bushes, for example, manufacturers like Sperry, Yokogawa, and Tokyo Keiki. Whereas the P-type pin kits are used when retrofitting bearing repeaters with bowl pivot pins, like Anschutz and Teledyne. The MD69BRX has been certified to the most rigorous standards. Tested by TÜV and type approved by DNV to IEC 60945, conforming to military environmental standards. The bearing repeater's weatherproof marinized construction is finished in window gray semigloss powder coat, suited to naval standard colors, and has an exposed area classification, meaning it can endure high-pressure water jets equivalent to harsh sea state conditions. The MD69BRX is suitable for our range of bearing sites. The MD69BC bearing circle, the MD69AZI azimuth sight, and the MD60A2K telescopic alidade. To discuss your project, request a quotation, or for more information, visit marine-data.co.uk. Marine Data Systems, Navigation, Innovation.